Keeping your home safe has never been easier thanks to the latest smart security cameras. Modern systems offer 4K video, AI-powered motion detection, color night vision, solar charging, 360-degree coverage, local storage, and no monthly subscription fees. Whether you're protecting your home, garage, office, or vacation property, these cameras provide reliable security day and night. In today's video, we've selected the top 5 best security cameras of 2026 based on video quality, smart AI features, night vision, ease of installation, storage options, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. aosu Wireless Outdoor Security Camera System 4-Camera Kit. This 4-camera wireless kit is completely solar-powered, eliminating the need for frequent battery charging. One of its biggest advantages is no monthly subscription fee, allowing you to enjoy advanced security features without ongoing costs. Each camera features 360-degree pan and tilt, intelligent auto tracking, and 2K color night vision, providing excellent visibility both day and night. Installation is simple thanks to its completely wireless design. Pros: 100% solar-powered, no monthly subscription, 360 degrees pan and tilt, auto motion tracking, 2K color night vision, easy wireless installation, excellent value. Overall, if you're looking for the best balance of features, affordability, and convenience, the aosu 4-Camera Kit is our top recommendation. Number 2. aosu T2 Ultra 4K Security System. Its 4K Ultra HD resolution captures exceptional detail, while true color night vision produces vibrant nighttime footage without sacrificing clarity. The system also includes AI recognition, 360-degree motion tracking, expandable 1 terabyte local storage, solar charging, and support for multiple cameras, making it ideal for larger homes. Pros: stunning 4K video quality, true color night vision, AI human recognition, 360-degree motion tracking, solar-powered, expandable 1 terabyte local storage, no subscription required. If image quality is your top priority, the aosu T2 Ultra is one of the best wireless security camera systems available. Number 3. eufyCam C37 4-Camera Kit. The eufyCam C37 combines intelligent AI features with reliable solar-powered performance. This 2K wireless camera system supports 360 degrees pan and tilt, automatically follows moving subjects, and uses AI to recognize people, vehicles, pets, and familiar faces, helping reduce false alerts. Built-in local storage means there are no monthly subscription fees, while the solar charging system minimizes maintenance throughout the year. Pros: 2K video recording, AI detection for people, pets, vehicles, and faces, auto tracking, solar-powered, no monthly fees, local storage included, excellent mobile app. For homeowners wanting smart AI-powered protection, the eufyCam C37 is an excellent option. Number 4. Reolink Duo 2V PoE 4K Security Camera. The Reolink Duo 2V PoE is designed for users who prefer a professional wired security solution. Its dual-lens 4K camera creates an impressive 180-degree panoramic view, reducing blind spots while delivering extremely sharp image quality. Additional features include person, vehicle, and animal detection, spotlight color night vision, two-way audio, an IK10 vandal-resistant design, and IP67 weatherproof protection, making it ideal for both residential and commercial installations. Pros: crystal clear 4K resolution, 180-degree panoramic dual lens view, AI object detection, color night vision, two-way audio, IK10 vandal-resistant design, IP67 weatherproof. If you want professional-grade reliability and image quality, the Reolink Duo 2V is an outstanding choice. Number 5. SEHMUA 4MP Solar Security Camera. The SEHMUA 4MP Solar Security Camera is a budget-friendly option packed with useful features. It provides a 360-degree panoramic view, color night vision,
solar charging, and compatibility with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. The camera also supports local storage, smartphone control, motion alerts, and requires no monthly subscription, making it an excellent value for homeowners. If you're looking for a reliable solar-powered security camera at an affordable price, the SEHMUA 4MP is a great choice. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best security cameras of 2026. If you're looking for the best overall security camera system, the aosu Wireless Outdoor 4 Camera Kit stands out with its solar-powered design, 360-degree coverage, auto-tracking, and no subscription fees. The aosu T2 Ultra is the best choice for users who want stunning 4K image quality, while the Reolink Duo 2V delivers professional-grade wired security with an ultra-wide panoramic view. No matter which security camera you choose, every model on today's list offers reliable protection, smart AI features, and excellent peace of mind for your home or business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.